Hey guys, welcome. Hello. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for clicking in. My name is Baby. Um, as I already said, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would really appreciate if you join the family, subscribe. I would also really appreciate if you followed me on social media. Check out my social media pages. There's a lot going on there as well. A lot of content that I've put together over the years. So if you're interested, there's a lot of DIY, a lot of art projects. So yeah, feel free to go ahead, check me out on social media. I promise you, you will not be disappointed if you're already here. So thank you. I appreciate it in advance. What are we doing today? Today I had the idea to take you guys through a DIY project idea that I have. I'm not even fully sure if it will be workable, but this is, kind of how the DIY process goes. We're not always sure. You have a feeling, you have an instinct, and yeah, you kind of just have to approach it with curiosity. And so that's what we're doing today. I have a nightstand that has been with me for years now and is no longer, what will I say, it's no longer useful for me as a nightstand. And so I want to get rid of it. However, on my way to throwing it out, I just took a look at the legs and thought to myself, okay, I think I can make use of those legs. This is really how I approach a lot of my projects. It's like you see something and you think to yourself, there is some potential here. And so here we are. So really what I have in mind to do is I have this leftover pine boards from those from a previous project, and I have this uh, nightstand with the legs. And if you see me looking off camera, it's because the nightstand is right there. Forgive me. But yeah, as I was saying, I will start off the project or the process today, take off the legs, and we'll see where we go from here. If you guessed, yes, this is the nightstand. And while I begin to take it apart, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a backstory, just kind of a brief story time of my relationship with this little nightstand. So here we go. I got this. Okay, so I got this dresser back in 2019, and at that time, I got it on Amazon, by the way. I'm not even sure if it's being sold anymore, but if it is and you're interested, yep, I will leave a link, but I really can't promise, so we'll see. But back to my story. So I got this nightstand back in 2019, and honestly, at the time, I just needed a nightstand that was really affordable because I had no intention of keeping it for very long at all. I'm pretty sure when I got it, I had said to myself, yeah, I'm just going to have this nightstand for maybe 6 months, a year max. And then I will get something better. And so I got this $40 nightstand off Amazon in 2019. And guess what? It is 2023. And it is the gift that keeps on giving. It's crazy. It's wild to me. But in the spirit of that, I want to take a second to really appreciate the nightstand for its service. It has served me for years. It has moved to 3 different places with me. So um, we have been on a journey together. And now you and I can hope, we can all hope that I can repurpose the legs. The idea for the legs is I already have a stool that I thrifted last year that has the same kind of legs. I thought to myself, this is MDF. The wood is medium density fiberboard. It's not very useful for me, but I can make use of the legs. And I have these leftover unfinished pine boards that I got from Lowe's for a different project. And so the idea is they can work together and create something that's useful in my home. I hope you guys are a fan of repurposing, because I like to do that a lot. So I hope you're here for that. So most of the hard work is over. I cut the pine board into 12 by 12, which matches really the other stool that is serving as inspiration for this project. And I realized that I still have to put some finishing touches, such as sanding off the rough edges, which I kind of started to do off camera, and staining and sealing. But just because I am a little impatient, I want to put the legs in. I just want to see how it looks as one unit. I can always stain and seal it post legs. So why not? Okay, so it's the moment you've been waiting for. It's the reveal. Honestly, guys, I really love it. I really do. I love it so much right now that I am not even sure that I still want to stain it. I can't tell. I really like the light wood tone. Um, I do favor a lot of dark woods in my home. I really love walnut, but right now I am enjoying the raw light tone of it. So what I'm going to do is just let it sit for a few days in my home and see if my feelings change. If I continue to enjoy it as is, I will slap a layer or two of polyurethane and just seal it, um, and move on. But right now, I can't tell. I don't know if I want to paint the legs. I don't know if I still want to stain it before I seal it. So we're just gonna have to wait and find out. If you really enjoyed today's video, if you really love content like this, if you enjoy DIYs and you're constantly seeking inspiration, or you have friends who you know can benefit from a lot of these videos or a lot of these projects that I'm doing, please, what are you waiting for? Share with them. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, join the family. I swear you want to be here. There's so much more to come. And if you haven't checked out my social media, what are you waiting for? I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Okay, we're gonna keep going, okay? Honest